Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-39F water tank filler lid. Let's get building. Welcome G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. This episode we will be building part 1-39F water tank filler lid. Let's open up the template, save. Okay, so we've got like a filler cap that slides on, so it's a cylinder with a handle on top. So I'm just thinking we could do a cylinder then cut it out. I'm gonna do it that way. The cylinder, yeah, there's several ways you can do this. Like anything. So anyway, let's go to the top. I want cylinder. That's going to be 61. Extrude. It's going to be 14. Mid plane. And done. Okay, so let's go on the bottom first. Normal 2. Sketch. Do another circle. Smart dimension. That is going to be missed. 57. And that's going to be 12 up. That's going to be feature. Extrude. 12. Nope, blind. There we go. That's that part done. That's nice. Leave that crisp in there. We're going to put fillet on here. So fillet. Probably not 10. 2 looks nice. Excellent. Now we want a handle. This handle's going to go up, along, down. So we might go on front plane, normal 2, sketch. Now we're going to do a line, going to be from there, up, across, and down. That's all we want. Smart dimension is going to be, that's going to be 39. And it's going to be 14 high. And this part here, we'll find the center. Actually, either way, there's no way I can do it. This from there to there, going to be 39 divided by 2, and that's in the center. And that's done. And exit out of that one. Now we want to do a sweet boss. Oh, first off, we want a circle. Let me just put a circle anywhere in there. That circle's going to be 4 diameter. Almost said 14. I was thinking, what the heck? That thing's 14. Okay, so exit sketch. Now, loft boss. So we got this. Okay, sketch a circle. Yep, and that one's going to be that one. Perfect. But before we do, hold on. Let's change something first. Let's go to this one. Edit sketch. That's before we do. Hold on. Go there. Normal 2, there we go. Edit sketch. We want that radius. We want a radius there. So we want there to there. There to there. Let me join them together. Join that together. There we go. Put that one there. That one there, so that way it doesn't move away. And then that one is going to be joined. That ray is going to be 2. Let's see what it looks like at 2. Just doing half a 4. Yeah, I think that works. 2. There we go. Now we want to trim. Now some of this might break. Yeah. That's fine. Let's do from this one to that one. 39. There we go. Back again. Oh, and this one. No, that's not what I wanted. Yellow, thank you. This one to that one, thank you. 14. Why is that one not locked? Oh, okay. Let me... Okay, now it's locked. I was say, why is that not locked? Okay, so that's good. Let's now go to Sweet Boss. We want that circle. No, we want circle. Thank you. I hope that's the right one. Oh, wasn't. Delete that one. Clear selection. There we go. Nope. There we go. Sketch and sketch. Why didn't it work? We could not be completed because it's insect self when passed into the first segment. Oh, what the heck? Let me move that over there. Let's try this again. So we want that one. And line. There we go. Oop. What is it? Oh, hold on. If I put that one to that one, I'll make them... Nope. There we go. If I do that, go Sweet Boss. That face is already selected. Beautiful. There we go. There you go. That worked. And done. There's the handle done. I'm just going to do a little fillet there. It's going to be 0.5. I think it just looks nicer. Doesn't show that, but I think it just looks nicer. So there's the felt. Okay, that's felt cap done. Let me get a nice position. There we go. So that is part 1-C9F water tank filler lid done. So if you enjoyed that, got any comments? Want to see more? Subscribe. Then below, I do appreciate it. I will see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.